Hi, welcome to our booth. I'm here to introduce the Alloyd Ergo 2 Plus model. The Alloyd Ergo 2 Plus is equipped with a 14 by 28 inch seal area. It comes with some basic functionality of pressure, temperature, dwell, a cycle counter, and obviously reset for any emergency purposes. There's an each stop on the front and back of the machine. One of the other features I wanted to point out on our Alloyd Ergo 2 Plus model is our premium grade medical tooling. Our premium grade medical tooling comes with an FDA approved coating, T-gaskets that can be placed simply by just pulling up and removing, island seals, easy removal tabs, as well as our custom made spring pins. One of the other nice features about our premium grade tooling is our retaining clips. These clips are mounted to the tray for easy removal, and they stay with the tray for storage. Loading of the machine is all done in front or in the rear, so the machine can be set up with two operators. First, trays go in, next would be product loading, and then final step is adding the lidding material, which could be Tyvek, foil, or a clear type lidding material. One of the last features I wanted to point out on our Ergo 2 Plus model, and it's a feature we're very proud of, is our Easy Lock heat plate system. This is a new feature for the 2020 machine models across the Ergo line. This feature allows a single operator to unload the heat plate for removal. Installation: it's an easy drawer system. It locks into a detent for remounting. And now I will demonstrate the Alloyd Ergo 2 Plus model for you. This machine can be equipped to seal small packages, medium size, or large trays. We certainly appreciate your time today. If there's more you would like to learn about the Alloyd Ergo 2 Plus model, please visit us on our website.